Welcome to Teacher Mind. In this video we are going to be finding the distance between 2 points on a coordinate grid by using the Pythagorean Theorem. Let's begin. As we notice on our grid we have point A, and I can go ahead and identify its location. If this is my origin, this is left 4 and up 4. That's -4, +4. And B, you just have to go down, so you don't go right at all or left. So this is 0 and -5. Well, normally we would use the distance formula, and we can identify these values as x1 and y1 and so forth, and plug it into our formula. But I have a different way to do it in this video. What we're going to do is we're going to imagine that we have a right triangle. In a right triangle, this would be A, this would be B, and then the part that we're looking for, the distance we're looking for, would be C in this right triangle. Well, in the Pythagorean theorem we know it as a squared plus b squared equals c squared. Well, what's nice about this is a and b are very easy to find. We just have to count. So 1, 2, 3, 4. A is 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B is equal to 9. So if we substitute these values in, we have 4 squared plus 9 squared equals c squared. 4 squared is 16. 9 squared is 81. And if we add these together, 16 plus 81 is 97. And of course, to cancel out the squared, to get c by itself, we do the opposite, which is to take the square root of both sides. The square root of something squared leaves you with the item, which is, in this case, is c. So c is the square root of 97. But we can also give it in decimal form. Square root of 97 is approximately 9.8 units. So this is an alternative to using the distance formula. If you have a grid, you can create a right triangle with an A, a B, and a C that you can then substitute into the Pythagorean theorem and work out your answer either in radical form or in decimal form. This concludes the lesson, and I'd like to thank you for visiting Teacher Mind, a great place to discover something valuable.